University ya Nyamira magacho nagenderete as a college ya Kiabonyoru ukwigena gwaito.
Yes.
Nkulinga abana bagochago rangiru guchi university bako report umutinyo September abana abubake somere as a university ya Nyamira iye ereliko naende clarify abantu gekwera iliogiri ya bukira se igoro ya university yo.
Yes.
University ya Nyamira tiransa. University ya Nyamira igera sama boko ye University ya Kisii konyerera kuyeagacha kuyeansia egere imanyo gucha koe wechata una University ya Nyamira.
Yes.
Ikitubwate bono ne college ye University ya Kisii koagachu Nyamira egera bana ba Kisii University bagende gosomera campus use constituent college eri ali Nyamira.
Yes.
And therefore abantu mbali bakona waka mariugiga na terabe kwenga seti abana bataransa gosoma in September a constituent college ejiye kwa ukubeke gendenga seti gitaragacho ukubeke gendenga seti utarachino admit abanafunzi. So abantu baito tigato babororo kero tokoleta magendero tigato ya support.
Yes.
Tigato kuna kuligia oboro kirase na we are determined nga University ya Nyamira nkorolero mugaso ngwakwero mugaso na bana ngosoma barase University ya Nyamira dali yazikia bonyoruoka nkonyora tole enjira tukubeka a town campus ye University ya Nyamira within Nyamira town.
Okay.
Neri sababu tucholeire neri sababu. And for your information chibese budget yebekire togo chiko agachire University ya Nyamira is 3 billion shillings.
Yes.
Yeah, 3 billion shillings ni chibese chinyinge chigo cha gotokonye expand university yo egera tonyole chata na into tobarwe as a league y'abantu babwate university in their county.
Okay.